Hello and welcome to our TQ Team Tuesday. I'm Lara and I'm responsible for the events at TechQuartier. Whenever you need a location for your workshops, your get-togethers or networking evenings, you can hit me up. Right now we're standing in front of the Hammermann statue, which is actually one of the tallest ones all around the world. It was made by Jonathan Borowski to make us think about how we actually create things. We as humans, we always use our minds and our hands to create amazing stuff. Enough of all the sightseeing, let's go and check out our actual Hammermann room. Welcome to our Workshop Lab Hammermann. As the name already says, you can host various workshops in here. You can do hackathons, you can even do a little team building with your coworkers, or if you just have to present something to your team and you need a little bit more space and a creative and inspiring environment, you can book our Hammermann and start getting creative. We also have 3 screens on the left side of the room, which you can use for very different purposes. Being the creative space that Hammermann is, you can shape the room to however you want your workshop goals to be best represented. Here are just a couple examples of what your event could look like. Enjoy getting creative with your team and work with us if you want a whole different experience in realizing your event and fueling your guests with new ideas. See you next time on Space Tuesday!